Want to start investing but feel lost on how to actually build a portfolio?
Don't worry, you don't need to be a financial expert. With just a few simple steps, you can create a beginner-friendly portfolio that balances risk and growth. Welcome to Grow My Saving. In this video, you'll learn how to set goals and assess your risk, the basics of asset allocation and diversification, and simple ways to build and maintain your first portfolio. Start with your why. Are you saving for retirement, buying a house, or just building wealth? Next, think about risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with market ups and downs? A younger investor may handle more risk because they have time to recover, while someone closer to retirement might prefer safer investments. Your portfolio is just a mix of assets, stocks, bonds, and cash. A common rule of thumb: subtract your age from 100 to estimate how much of your portfolio should be in stocks, with the rest in bonds and cash. For example, if you're 30, that's about 70% stocks and 30% bonds. Stocks bring growth, bonds add stability, and cash is your safety net. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across different assets. Within stocks, mix large companies, small companies, and even international markets. The easiest way to diversify? ETFs and mutual funds. One investment that gives you exposure to hundreds of companies or bonds. Robo-advisors can also build a balanced portfolio automatically. Check your portfolio at least once a year. Over time, markets shift and your mix of stocks and bonds may drift away from your plan. Rebalancing means selling a little of what's grown too much and buying what's lagging, bringing your portfolio back to your target allocation. Here are 3 simple starter setups. Conservative, 20% stocks, 60% bonds, 20% cash. Balanced, 60% stocks, 40% bonds. Aggressive, 80-90% stocks, 10-20% bonds. Pick what matches your goals and comfort level, and remember, investing is a long-term game. So to recap, define your goals, set an asset mix that fits your risk, diversify with ETFs or robo-advisors, and rebalance regularly. That's the foundation of a simple beginner portfolio. Thanks for watching Grow My Saving. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more beginner investing tips. In our next video, we'll explore reinvesting profits to grow faster, a powerful way to accelerate your wealth-building journey.